The beautiful Biella area, which is about an hour and a bit from Turin, Milan, Lake Maggiore, France and Switzerland, is often overlooked by international buyers for other, more well-known places in Italy. For anyone with a flair for decorating, this is a wonderful opportunity to turn this character home into an absolute showpiece with minimal investment. There is also a bonus cellar, a 350 square metre back garden and panoramic view balconies. With an asking price of just €28,000, this 90 square metre 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom cottage-style terraced house is spread over 4 levels and is a perfect example of the kind of amazing deals that can be found in this part of Piedmont. This home offers the best of village life while being surrounded by nature and outdoor activities practically on the doorstep. It could also be a perfect starter home for anyone wanting to give Italian life a try before purchasing something bigger or more expensive. Please see the description below for a link to more information about this property. We'd love to know what you think of it in the comments, and if you'd like to see more homes like this featured.